continue. Oil pressure annunciator on. Low volume, low volts annunciator.
Can you turn on all the lights for me?
Avionics, bus 1. You want to test the pitot heat?
You can turn it off. No, you don't have to.
Turn everything off?
Yeah. You got the times in when you turn on the master?
Oh, wait. So it flaps back up?
Yeah, you could have done it later on.
I didn't take it.
Oh, okay. That's fine.
All right. Fuel selector is on both. Fuel selector both. Alternate static pressure is off. Trim tab to the takeoff position. Alright. Fire extinguisher, check that it's green. We don't have a fire extinguisher. Alright, I'm good. What is this thing? Alright. Oh, they locked it in here. That's what they did.
Pretty cloudy, isn't it?